Yeah.
Hey yo, what is up gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So today once again we'll be reacting to a rapper from Manipur who goes by the name of Jaesung. He has this song called I Am Back. So actually the first song that I have heard of Jaesung was this song. So I got introduced to Jaesung because of one of my roommate. His name is Simeon Zhao. He is from More. Back when I was in Maram, Don Bosco College Maram, I was studying there. So at that time I knew about Jaesung. So thank you Simeon for the introduction to Jaesung. So let's just dig in, dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what our brother Jaesung has for us on the table. Let's get it, man. J Gang.
Yeah,
Okay.
let him know. Bruh. Yo, I'm back in this game, tell me what I should do.
Tell me what I should do.
Yeah, I'm back in the city, tell me who the fuck is you?
Tell me who the fuck is you.
I'm the realest on the city, man, you know I am cool?
Realest on the city,
Yeah,
man, you know I am
used to be broke, and I am still broke, but I'm
Used to be broke and I'm still broke, and he is the coolest it seems. Yeah man, he looks cool. And yeah man, most of us are broke only, man.
I'm fucking with this nigga you can never could afford. Let's go. When you see
Oh, he got an expensive sneaker.
a never could afford. Let's go. When you see a bitch stripping on you, fuck that. Got my girl on my side, yeah, I love that. Never did it for the money, but we love that. I just save it for the moment till I sign checks. Woo.
Okay.
Bling bling, yeah, I do that. But we never act shit, we keep it real, bro, true that. Kush in the back, smoke that. Tell my homie not go show him how I blow that. And I'm rapping this inside, no
Okay.
lie. Tell him who the realest rapper is. Jay motherfucker is. We keep it real.
True, man. You should claim yourself, like that you are the best, and you should keep it real 100, man.
We keep it 100.
But I love, man, this with this cycling thing and all. What is this called actually? Some freestyling and all.
Rap, yeah. This is just a freestyle I'm dropping to you all.
Okay.
Imagine if I'm dropping a song that bitch you are so gone. Don't step up to me saying you're the best, no you are wrong. See when it comes to rap, I'm like the Jerry, you're the Tom. And I'm back in this game, tell me what I should.
So when it comes to rap, he is the Jerry and you guys are the Tom. Tom is himself to all these other haters and other rappers. Jerry always, irritates Tom, right? And Tom has never beat, Jerry in that cartoon.
Should do.
Tell me what I should do.
I'm back in the city, tell me who the fuck is you?
Tell me who the fuck is you.
I'm the realest on the city, man, you know I am cool?
Okay.
Realest on the city, man, you know I am
Used to be broke, and I am still broke. But I'm fucking with this nigga, you can never.
Which sneaker is he wearing, man? Is it some AJ's? So
Could afford. I'm a T-A-N-G-K-H-U-L. Man, you ain't never heard a kid rap so well.
I'm
This
glad
is
to
how
see
we
this
do.
nigga.
I am P-H-A-L. I'm coming in hard, man. I'm more prepared. But my punch is smooth like MC Mary Paul. The motherfucker.
So man, I love when rappers represent their own place. He's representing Imphal, and at the same time his punch is smooth like MC Mary Com. It seems punch physically also. At the same time, it can be the punchlines. It is the punchline, the bars also. So it is like Mary Com, the world champion of
See
the
me
boxing.
calm, don't motherfucking play with me. I drop bomb, I'ma do it till I'm finished, until I get the crown. This is what I love, and I'ma do it till I'm done. Got a verse for anybody, wanna talk about a clip. Going through a lot of shit, you don't wanna hear me trip. Everything I get, own it, I never get it stripped. I fucking bounce hard, even though I'm still a kid. Hot like McDonald's every time when I spit. Only 16, I'ma kill you with this shit. Man, I am so real, yo.
So back then he was 16. This music video is from 2018 January, I think. Yes. So he must be by now 19, I guess. Now he is 19 or 20, I guess. Just recently 2-3 days back he had his birthday.
Fucking clown freak, I'm the realest on the city, man. I do it like this, man. I'm back in this game, tell me what I should do.
Tell me what I should do.
I'm back in the city, tell me who the fuck is you?
Tell me who the fuck is you?
Yeah, I'm the realest on the city, man. You know I am cool.
Oh.
Man, you know I am cool.
Used to be broke, and I am still broke. But I'm fucking with this nigga you can never could afford. Rap. Hey yo,
Well, you know we keep it
freestyle
real.
rapping on it
Is this real Supreme?
you know what it is.
Oh, this is the whole J gang. Man, shout out to Jason and shout out to the Unpolished Records, man. This was really dope, and this song reminded me of my days where back in those days when I was in Maram. So yeah, and yeah, it's dope. And man, Jason, I used to talk to Jason on Instagram. So he was telling he was about to drop an EP. Actually on his birthday he was telling me he will drop the EP, but then he did not drop. I think he was partying too much, and I hope so. Maybe in this week, or I don't know when, but he is soon going to drop the EP. So go check him out, man. He's a dope artist, and yeah, we always here to support, man. Northeast for life. So thank you so much for coming in here. Please like, share and subscribe. Shout out to everybody who is involved in this in this whole music scene of the J Gang, the Unpolished Records and all. So yeah, peace out.